Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't agree personal terms to sign Matt Turner, will be new revelation goalkeeper where he play for America. And our monitoring spirit that they call Daily Express now give us this news. So Arsenal the reason say they won't bring this guy join our squad so that Ben Leno go fit come up for this January. So they don't accept personal terms. So what's it called the men and make them agree the £6 million with the guy club, then 2.5 million add-ons for the deal. Well, anyhow with this deal they go. If you don't materialize, I go let you know because me as Ben Leno for Benjamin. They say after our first 3 matches we Ben Leno play for the beginning of the season. So since then, Baba never smelled any EPL games again. Now they cup, and cup self don't come out, which means from now to the end of the season, this guy no go touch anything again. So it makes sense as he won't come out. Now I don't understand why they want me Ben Leno go, because imagine staying from now till the end of the season and not playing anything because we are out of all cups, unless maybe Ramsey gonna get one kind mysterious injury or maybe gonna get coronavirus before they go fit draft back Leno. So it did good say the guy won't go abeg. At the same time, our legend that they call Nigel Winterborn don't come outside and let us know say it go make sense make Arsenal sign Dominic Calvert-Lewin, because if they sign the guy go fit help us. He will perfectly fit in for our squad. So the guy they advise Mikel Arteta and the hierarchy, they say make them go for this guy. Time still dey at least before you reach that kind January 31st stroke February 1st. So if we still launch money for them, if we sell the guy give us, who knows? So when they watch as everything go turn out, because some people say don't talk saying Dominic Calvert-Lewin nobody we need. Some people say now what we need. Everybody get their own personal opinion and personal choice of striker where Arsenal need to sign. Well, what do you watch? Away from that, Arsenal don't open talks with Wolves to sign Ruben Neves. You know, say Arsenal really need midfield cover, and nobody Arsenal they interested in this guy. So me, I just they happy see that they put their money where their mouth is now. So as they don't open talks, then hopefully before now till January 31st, they will reach a compromise. Then, because Wolves the talk say now £40 million they would like to collect for Arsenal hand to discourage Arsenal, because nobody they like to sell for this kind of time minute. Now we say to get replacements if they had. So don't let Arsenal know so for now won't sign this guy now £40 million, and we not be stranger to that price, because last season several won't sign the guy. Now that kind 35-40 they still tell us. And now come outside again, tell us the same 35-40. So I know say Wolves they're ready to sell because they've been done they negotiate with Manchester United for this same player. But they say they never agree any deal, and Manchester United have never agree personal terms with the player. So the same place where Manchester United did, and they will self with this. So all of us they find the same Ruben Neves, and I be Wolves captain. The guy is very strong for that midfield. The guy good. The guy they wipe some kind of long range screamer. What they like, some kind of long range shots. What they enjoy for the guy. The guy they scored, and midfield that will score. It makes sense. A big pass. You know they play very well. They play for Portugal national team. So what's it again? They find the guy good. So they're dependent on us whether we go free match that valuation, that £40 million. We'll agree a deal in principle with the club now. We'll come face the player, come agree personal terms. Then the guy will just fly from Molineux Stadium, come Emirates, come do a medical. But they watch as everything will turn out. Are they here to give you that the gist? But at the same time, our monetary spirit that they call Gazzetta dello Sport don't come outside and let us know say also Murillo go try and lock again before Monday's deadline, transfer deadline, to carry Granit Xhaka from Arsenal, saying really need midfield cover, and Granit Xhaka be #1 choice, even though he don't try last season, no work. So they really say now we're gonna try again, and you know go fit try again now unless Arsenal self don't get adequate cover, because we don't be selling club like that to get now only the dead woods now will they send out, but say the mainstay them no they sell them like that. So I don't know whether if they carry Xhaka, then maybe Arsenal will be forced to go carry Otto. I'll Arsenal first bring back Otto Melo from Juventus, they will come give Mourinho Xhaka. I never know how all these things go up, and whether they don't go bring anybody, they just retain the Xhaka we then get. I never really know. More the watch. At the same time, again, what in the studio boss my bro, what they think say, see Ramsey now. Ramsey for Juventus won't make the guy go on a free. They're ready to even release him from the contract, maybe go join another person. Why not make Arsenal just carry Ramsey, even if now on a 6 months deal to the end of the season? I don't know if you just carry him. I don't know. Now they think go that angle. Like Ramsey, why don't you just carry him? Just come back, help out to damage, because as we did now, We need midfield reinforcement, we need midfield cover. Anybody who won't be, as long as everybody small and the person sabi play. When the person can't try and lock, now what me I did think, I don't know what to think. Just a temporary deal you get. Then for summer here, we can't calm down, scamp everywhere, no who will sign. I be how I think am. But surprise, Aston Villa don't sign Callum Chambers from Arsenal on a 3.5-year deal, and this one our monetary spiritual they call mirror. Now they can let us know say this deal don't go through. Even Sky Sports self update us about the deal. Say almost see what it don't suffer. It come as a shock because yesterday night I just see the deal. Instead of a shock, say I never sign anybody. Now they let everybody go. And even though the mirror can they explain say what it make Arsenal and Aston Villa do this deal now, because at the end of the season, Callum Chambers, Arsenal don't give him contract extension, and the guy contract go expire, go come be free agent. So you could come better make them terminating contract now, making him fit join Aston Villa, because from what they hear, Aston Villa not pay anything. It's like a free agent transfer. But at the same time, the deal go free up some funds like £2 million for Arsenal, because the funds they for pay this guy wages whether he play or he no play from now to the end of the season. They don't recoup him, they don't save him. So, but as he don't sell this guy out, and we don't really left with just Tomiyasu and Cedric Suarez, and two of them now still injured. We never know. Now at the end of their winter break and everything, we know whether they don't recover. And Cedric Suarez is somebody they prone to injury. So some people they ask, say, why Arsenal will let Callum Chambers go? Will they never get option to buy? And though they hear say Arsenal they interested in Ajax right back, so they would like to carry the guy, even though Ajax they're willing to sell the guy. We never really know, but I just keep my fingers crossed. Say Arsenal will fit buy a replacement before the window closes. Well, we'll watch as everything will turn out. Master they plan to play Reading after they come back from their winter break from Dubai. So now closed door, like friendly. You know, so what make them go that winter break for that Dubai, because Dubai still get warm weather, so they don't want just be close to winter. If it's a cold, they catch everybody. They can come out far away from England, go wear warm weather. They may enjoy themselves more, do some kind of light work. So when they come back, they will play Reading before they'll come face Wolves for February 10. They'll come play away, and Wolves save the odds. So we never know how it will be, but my happiness is say by then everybody go don't come back. I think I go use in first 11. I think maybe Shaka will still day out to serve in red card. But apart from Shaka, everybody's supposed to don't day complete. So now my own happiness with that. Well, till then, I wish the team all the best of luck. Whether they sign player out, they don't sign player out. Me, I just the confidence say we go do alright. Barcelona don't hijack Tottenham Hotspur deal for Adama Traore. I don't know why Traore deal with Tottenham Hotspur no gel, so Barcelona don't carry the guy on loan. Even say they don't schedule medical for the guy, and want him come as a surprise to everybody, because we don't almost see say Conte won't sign the guy, but all of a sudden the deal don't come materialize, so the guy don't go. And another thing one won't give us now, one kind one, you know, Conte won't buy one guy from Porto, they call Diaz. The guy they hot like fire. The guy don't score 16 goals this season alone, or make 6 assists. So they don't offer £42 million. Porto never agree. So Porto say the reason that kind of 50-60 million pounds. So I never know. But if Spurs buy that guy, many pundits don't talk about the guy, because the formation will come be like the guy, Son and Kane. Go bad. We need to strengthen any which way, direct winger where they score. Imagine that guy where they score 16 goals. Don't be even striker and winger. Already they call Nigel Winterborn don't come outside again. They let us know say Arsenal players they need to get hold of Xhaka, like they need to control Xhaka. They're not there for the field. They need to let the guy know say they remind them to be disciplined and focused, because Baba they talk say when you look at this Xhaka, like go say since when Xhaka don't come Arsenal 5 years ago, the guy don't collect 5 red cards and 62 yellow cards. Only him. Now not collect the guy they collect card like water. So you need to advise this guy. See, sometimes allow people to dribble past you. You get, it's not a law. There's no written law say if you lose the man you don't miss his leg. No. Sometimes allow people to pass you and trust your keeper. You get, because according to Nigel Winterborn, they talk say it is better to concede a goal than to collect a red card, because with a red card down it is difficult for you to even get into the game, but without a red card with 11 men it is still easy for you to come. You can still come back, you get, but with red card and a mountain you don't put for your team, because imagine playing 10 against 11 against a big side. It will be very hard. Sometimes allow people to dribble past you. The best of the best defenders, they dribble them, so who be you? So just they advise Arsenal players say whenever they for club for pitch with Xhaka, what you go do be say just call am close, they remind am Xhaka focus, focus, Shaka, focus. The reminder, discipline, the reminder. Because sometimes in the loser, you get like 5 minutes of madness like this, you just display yourself. So just now, what's my mind on the talk show? But William Saliba don come outside, come dey change mind, saying go dey willing to come back to Arsenal at the end of the season to come fight for him place. Not too long ago, Baba dey talk say if Marseille qualify for Champions League, saying go like to follow them go Champions League, saying go re-evaluate in coming back to Arsenal. So e no go make sense say if Marseille qualify for Champions League, you no come follow them go the Champions League. Most especially if Arsenal sef no come qualify for Champions League, so e no go make sense na. Oh, Baba don forget say he dey contracted to Arsenal, even though he dey on loan to Marseille. So na Arsenal na be the owner of the property. So you don't forget that. Bless say don remind am now say omo, see as dey go. Bless say no know wetin dey sup. So I don't agree saying go come back to Arsenal, come fight for a place. So that's what it just be. So if you miss yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see I'm there. Click am so that you can watch yesterday's show and make you no miss any update as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Again, out.